Hello, welcome back. In this episode of Code with Me, we're going to be building a travel agency page. So, without further ado, let's get started. All right. So, to build an app that is functionally similar to this project, try not to copy an example project, give it your own personal style. Let's see what we got. All right. Let's cover Italy. All right. This is an example they give us. All right. Well, we haven't gotten to styling yet, so it's going to be practically the same. Um, so first thing on user stories, the objective: fulfill the user stories below and get all the tests to pass to complete the lab. So under user stories. So let's see. Chef doc type. I feel like mixing something. Not HTML. And then HTML. Um, that's line set to in, and they're gonna have HTML, the closing tag. So the language attribute set to English, and now that we have that set up, we should be on step 3. You should have a head element containing a meta void element with char set to UTF-8 and a title with the text travel agency page. All right, so head, opening, closing, head element. Now inside the head, we're going to add the the meta element. Yeah, meta, and then set that to char set. Oh, no, I'm wrong. Meta is an element, it's not an attribute. So we're going to put meta element in here. Char set equals to UTF-8. Okay. So now that we have that, in the head element, we don't need any attributes. No, that should just contain a meta element. Okay. All right. So that should be correct. This should be right. All right. And then title. I think title has a close. I think this is not a void element. I think title gets a closing. Sure, there's that. And then in title. So in title, we're going to put travel agency page. All right. So that's that. You should have a meta tag in your head element that contains a short description of your website for SEO. Okay. Mm, yeah, we just learned this the other day. So I forget how they do it though, cause mm, so doesn't is I think it's if I'm not mistaken, is meta equals. I'm gonna have to look that up because and come back to it because I did forget how they had that. Is it meta equals? I feel like it's descriptions, and then it's like description equals. Uh, this site is a travel agency page. Yeah. I think I'm wrong with that, but we'll see at the end. All right. So with that being said, um, hmm. Number 5, you should have an H1 element to present your travel destinations. Okay. So that's not your travel. Oh, I said destination. No. Yeah. All right. So I think that should be in the body. H1. Mm, so I guess travel best destinations. Typos. No, that's not how you spell destinations. D-I-N-A-T. Travel destination. Okay. You should have a paragraph below the H1 introducing the travel opportunities. Hmm. On this site, plan a getaway to our amazing destinations. Search. But what are our destinations? Does it tell me? Do you tell me? What are the opportunities? Nah, I don't know. So I'm just gonna put that for now. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So we have paragraph introducing travel opportunities. You should have an H2 element with the text packages. So H2, H2. All right. So you know how it goes. We take a little by little. Uh, um. So in this one, we've completed steps 1 through 7. So 1 through 7, and then next time we should be able to do 8 through I believe 12, if not finish it. So without further ado, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Okay, bye.